es poder. For there's a will, there's a way. We have our special guest, Patricia Gracia, owner of Power Media Group, and also owner of Power Woman Business Center. And I can tell you I'm part of that organization too. I'm very proud to be working with Patricia there. She has been our mentor for our valleys. And can you tell us about Power Woman Business Center?
Yes.
The bless it is for the companies that are starting like mine.
Well, we were just talking about my story about Power Media Group, which is a very successful company, 10 years on business. 2 years ago, I was invited to one of these events at the Latin Business Association, and I was one of the keynote speakers, and I was talking about how Latinas and small business owners in general, not Latinas, small business owners in general are re-energizing the economy of the United States. As you know, we're living a tragedy with the bad economy. It's one of the biggest situations that we're living in the whole history of the United States. So I was coming back from my seminar, and I was thinking, how do I work hard to give back to my community, to give back to this wonderful country that were giving me the opportunity to realize all my dreams? That was the first thing that came into my mind. What can I do? What can I do to help? And I put the numbers together in my mind, and I realized, well, re-energizing small business owners, it will be one of the key of succeeding and creating the money and creating more jobs. And I decided to create the Power Women's Business Center, which is a business incubator.
It's more than a business incubator. That's great.
It's a business in a box.
It's a business in a box.
Bill Miranda put the label already, and he goes, we are going to have to talk about the business in the box. Right, Bill?
That's right. And the reason we call it a business in a box is because you have everything you need to start a business all in one place at the Power Women's Business Center. Everything's in one place. Phones, you got it. Internet, you got it. Computers, you got it. Conference rooms for one-on-one meetings, you got it. Conference rooms for bigger meetings, you got it. Everything in one box. I love it, Patricia. That was the greatest idea.
And mentoring, counseling, and her experience.
It's a mentoring, counseling. Yeah, it's just Patsy just mentioned. Yes, Patsy. I truly remember that more than a year ago, Patsy, Julio, they were having these tremendous ideas under their arms, and they will always have a dream to have a business. And obviously, during these difficult times, no one wants to open a new business because they're attentive to, wow, it's gonna fail. I don't have the money. I don't want to invest. I don't want to have an office. I gave them the opportunity. I said, you know what, come over here, let's work together, let's make it happen. And right now, over a year, our Valleys magazine celebrating their year anniversary and very successful. And when I'm seeing the magazine and I'm touching those sheets and reading the articles, I'm thinking, I have my baby in my hands, a baby that is growing, and I had to see this baby flying. That's the main idea, helping small businesses to succeed. Give them the tools, give them the shortcuts to be successful.
So for many of the people out there that are thinking of starting a business, and it's the first inclination, kind of like you did when you started your business, was you started out of your home.
Yeah,
right?
but
a fax machine, a telephone.
And it's very disturbing, very disturbing.
It was the way you had to do it because you didn't have business in a box.
Exactly. I wish I could have business in a box when I started Power Media Group. It would be like absolutely a bliss. But now, since I went through that, dogs barking, kids crying, the gardeners from your neighbor, all these type of distractions. And besides that, your friends are thinking that you're not working because you're working from home.
Right.
So they don't realize that you're really working. So they start calling you as you're not doing nothing. And the reality is that you're working. And you need a space, an environment, a professional environment. And that was the main idea to create the Power Women's Business Center. And I call it Power Women's Business Center because I believe that women are no longer at home watching TV. We're working hard, right, Patsy?
That's true. That's what we're doing.
And Patsy works very hard. And she's a member of Power Women Business Center.
And that's great. My kids are at school. I go to a professional place to have appointments with my clients. I have meetings. I do. We use the computers. We do design for our ads. I mean, I have everything. And we just have our anniversary mixer, and she has a great place. And we hosted the Santa Clarita Valley Latino Chamber of Commerce mixer, and also the Santa Clarita Valley Chamber mixer. And I mean, you have a great space, great opportunities there for anyone.
Do you know what is the biggest success that I'm seeing in the Power Women's Business Center is when it's not about my success. It is about seeing people achieving their goals. And then is the time that I will say, I am successful because I'm seeing you having success in your life, in your business environment.
We really appreciate your coming and spending time with us today, Patricia. It's such an honor for us. I know you say it's an honor for you, but believe me, it's much more of an honor for us to have you here with us.
Thank you.
To have you here in our community.
Thank you.
To have you do the things you do, not only for the Latino community, which we of course love you for that, but what you do for everybody.
Yes.
And that is outstanding, and we hope you will continue to do that and continue doing that in the Santa Clarita Valley.
We will.
And you're a great example also of educated people, hardworking people, and now giving back to the community and to this great country. So thank you for that.
Thank you. Thank you so much for the invitation. And if you have any questions, anything, you can send me an email to patricia@powermediagroup.com. patricia@powermediagroup.com. Thank you, and God bless you all.
Great. Thank you, and God bless you too, Patricia. When we come back, we will close out the show. Patsy, the show went fast, huh?
Oh, my God.
We will close
Let's
out
say
the
more.
show with our last comments. This is Bill Miranda and my co-host Patsy Ayala. Querer es poder on your hometown station, AM 1220 KHTS.